What if you can have the one-on-one LinkedIn growth expert with you that can literally grab your hands, tell you what topics you should content post on your feed, what are the content magnets you should use to grow your audience, what are the opportunities you are missing, and even the suggest topics. So in this video, I found the tool that is literally like the LinkedIn growth expert, and it is going to analyze your profile and give you the suggestions that you should take on your content strategy, whether it's your topics that they known for you, whether it's for generating the images, slides, carousels, and even for the trending topics. So this is the Feedboss that I recently find out, and I think this is the really one of the crazy AI tool I have found out for the LinkedIn. You can see here, it's help you to analyze your or audit your profile, and after that it will show you what are the things you need to work on, whether it's your core health for the account or the brand score or the SEO, or what are the authority around your content. So this is the best part. Now once you audit your profile, you can just go to the authority map and simply click here. Now it is going to generate a map for you, and it will tell you what is the profile core pillar here and what are the ideal content gaps you have. So now what you have to do, simply click here on this content gap, and you will see what are the things you are missing that can help you to build your authority, grow your audience, get you the engagements on your content on the LinkedIn. And here's the best part that I like it here. Under the content tool, if I go to the trending here, even if you don't know any topic in your category or the niche, what you can do, you can simply ask it. Like for me, I want to learn about the AI lead generation. So when I just search the here, you can see it just gave me the summary, the key points, what are the important factors, everything. And not only that, with the research, it is even giving me the ideas based on the factual stats. You can see the post ideas. I can simply click any of the post idea here, or I can simply click here on the generate post with the full research. Now its AI is going to start generating the post on this topic for me. This is literally the best part. It is tapping my hand, it is telling me what to do, it is giving me everything here. And once that thing is done, you can go to here on the my post section, and you will see the literally the post is generated here. You can see this is the post I have just recently generated using this tool here. When I click here, okay, let me click here on the edit here. This will just open up the overall of the post, how it looks like. You can see the post text, and not only that, I can even use it to create a carousel or turn it into the image, or I can even generate the lead magnets around it, so I can give the people and grow my audience as well. So this is the one lead magnet I have generated, and look at how this looks like. This feels like the plain text to you, but when I click here on the preview PDF, you can see this is how the PDF looks like. I can just literally give away this lead magnet, and can you assume how much time all it takes to me to just audit my profile, getting my all of the pillar content, or what are the content gap for me, the content research, post generation, the carousels, the PDFs, the lead magnets. All it took around me just the 2 to 5 minutes. Yes, literally under the 5 minutes, I am just on the from this to this, growing my audience on the LinkedIn. This is what this tool can do, and the power of the Feedboss. It's literally the one-on-one LinkedIn growth expert with you, grabbing your hands, pointing the fingers, what you should do, what you should skip, what focus content for you, and what things can be the working for you. It is not just for the guesswork like the any random chat GPT post ideas, or you are asking the chat GPT how to grow. It is literally based on your profile, your tone, what are the category you are fulfilling, everything here. So in today's video, I am going to give a detailed overview on the Feedboss, how it can help you to grow on the LinkedIn, and how you can just implant this AI on your LinkedIn profile. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So right now, Feedboss is available on the appsumo. You can read about its review. It's just instantly getting viral on the appsumo. Under the just less than 24 hours, it has around the 12 plus reviews here. You can read about what this platform do, what are the features, but what I suggest, just follow this video, you will learn everything. So here are the lifetime plans. You can just consider buying whatever the plan you like it. If you ask my suggestion, I suggest go for the tier 3, because here you will get all the features access. Now this is how this platform look like. I will go to the dashboard here, and over the dashboard, this is how this looks like. But let me tell you the chronicle way you are going to set up your account. So first you have to go to the this one section, that is the optimize, and here go to the LinkedIn audit. Here just enter your URL for the LinkedIn profile, and it will show you the your brand score, the core health, what are the discoverability, SEO for your account, the authority, the content. The higher it is the 100, the more optimized your account is. Now you will instantly know what things you should work on. For example, me, the content is the core problem. It has only 27 out of 100, means I need to work on the content. I have to build the engagement. Then after that, I have to build on the authority, the leadership on my content or the category or the niche here. Then later on, I can work on the core health. Okay, so it is just giving you what area on your profile you should to work on. So now I know the content is my problem, so I will go to here on the authority map and simply click here the generate map. Now it is going to analyze my profile for giving me the content, the topics, and what are my core pillar, content strategy, and the content gaps. You can see this is all the content gaps for me. Now what I can do, I can just open up any of the content gap, and I can instantly know I need to create the content around this topic here, like the carousel outline, deep dive, the quick ideas. It is giving me everything. Now what I can do, I can simply click here on the quick ideas, and now I can start checking the ideas for this content gap. Let me generate the content here, and after that I am slowly steadily making my authority on this content for the LinkedIn. And you can assume overall I can start grabbing the audience around this topic. I can start grabbing the people, engagement, all this stuff here. So now let me click here again and close this one. You can see I have the 5 content ideas. Let me maximize here, and okay, you can see view and generate ideas, generating ideas for the canvas. Okay, so right now still generating, although it was fulfilled. Might be a glitch here, so no worries, we will try again. So this is going to give me the ideas here. Even if you can't able to get the ideas here, let me tell you how you can get them. So right now inbound sales system is the topic. Okay, this is generated, so I will open up. Okay, let me go to back here, and I will go to this one, that is the popular posts. Now in the popular post, you have to simply give the your topic you are gapping. So I will just outbound system. Okay, and I will go to the okay, no post matches for the filter, no worries, I can still go to the here, that is the trending. Okay, and now here I can search the outbound message system. Okay, and now what it is going to do, it is going to scrape all over the internet, like the web, Reddit, Hacker News, and then also make sure you have selected all the category and the source, and then hit the research. Now it is going to just go all over the web, the Reddit, and the Hacker News, and then it is going to try to scrape the ideas, what is the outbound message system, how you can implement all the factual data, and soon you are going to get it. So it can take around the few seconds while getting me all this stuff, but this is going to be the worthy, because the data you are going to grasp, just overall read and you will understand everything. It will also give you the link of the source where you can just go on and learn more about it. But no worries, because this is the status you are going to get in this page. It will also let you to set up your content strategy on this gapped content here. Okay, so right now this is still working on, so I have to wait. So while this is going on, yeah, this is here the results. You can see this is the summary here, this is the key points, and learning it I can just know more about the outbound system than just go on and wasting and giving my time on the web here. For example, it is saving me around the 15 to 20 minutes to learning about this topic here. While you will go on the deep down, you will get more time on this topic here. Okay, so now you can see this is the post ideas and outbound message. See, so many post ideas I got here. So now what I can do, I can just simply click any of the post idea, and now literally it has given me a prompt here. I just simply have to click enter, and now its AI is going to just give me a post draft on this idea here. So right now you can see it is starting working out, and soon, very soon, I will get the post that I can also turn into the carousel, image, or even the slide here. Okay, and I can also ask it to change the angle to give me the new post around this idea here. Okay, so this can take few more seconds because AI is going to deep down understanding your requirements, understanding your topics, and making it so well hooking that people is going to engage with your content. Now you can see this is the content it has generated. I mean, Google spam threshold can be low too. Okay, you can read it. This is how the layout looks really good here. And now it is still working out, means it's still generating the content here. You can see it is taking time. So while this is going on, what I suggest, let me show you my post that I have already created using it. So this is my first post I have created. Let me open up. Okay, and you will see this is the post text, and not only that, it has even generated me text here. Oh sorry, image here. You can see the image. This is like an infographics image out of the post I have generated using this AI. And not only that, I can use it to write the new post ideas, carousels, kind of the stuff here. So this is how it works. Now let me give you the one more crazy hack using the Feedboss. This is the lead magnets. Suppose for the every measure or the content that can be possible to getting the high engagements, you can also give the lead magnets, means the freebies. And for asking that, you can simply ask the people to comment a certain word or like this or show the engagement on this post here. So I just have to click on the generate with the AI, and now we have the multiple options available. Like I can generate the resource, framework, checklist, swipe file, or the templates. And for everything here, AI is going to help you out. For example, I will click here on the framework and I will give it like outbound message system. Now for which people I want to give it, like the marketing people. Okay, now you can give the more context or the style. So make sure you select this style. I want to give it like the build in public, or let's choose the, if you can't able to understand which option you should choose, simply click here on the my LinkedIn tone. Now click or generate. Now it will start going on to building your lead magnet that you can use in your content for the LinkedIn. Can you imagine that? Under the few seconds, I have even my lead magnet. I can just give it to people as freebie, and it can just tremendously grow my audience on the LinkedIn. So it is generated. Let me click here on the, and now you can see the 5-part onboard message system. And this is right now you can see as the text format. But let me tell you, when I click here on the preview PDF, you can see the PDF here. That's how this works out. Literally time saving. Can you imagine how much time it can take you to create or design this kind of the freebie? Even if you have the template, it can take around 5 to 10 minutes. But now this is happening in just few seconds. Now here's the best part. For this freebie, you don't even need to write the manually the content here. You can simply click here on the promote on LinkedIn. I open up and I will click here generate the LinkedIn post. For promoting this freebie or the framework, I am even asking its AI to generate me a post here, and look at here the post. Now I can simply open in the post editor, and you can see how this looks like. If you want to see the preview, this is how it's look like on your LinkedIn feed here. And now with this post, you can attach the freebie, and this is going to work out. Now when I click here on the publish, now it's going to publish this on my LinkedIn, and now I can see it on my LinkedIn account. You can see here. So here you can see there is the no freebie. So what I can do, I can go on the edit post, and here I can add that LinkedIn PDF here. Okay, where's the plus icon? Language post. Okay, I think I need to manually add the freebie, so I need to delete this one, but no worries, I can just always grab the here, edit. I will grab the post link, and after that I will go back. Okay, I need to download this one here, preview PDF. I need to download this one. Okay, and let me download, go to the LinkedIn, and now this time along with the PDF, that is the freebie, I will just go to the post here, plus. Okay, I think I need to add the freebie on my post here. Okay, because there is the no PDF adding option. I don't know why, or might be I am doing anything wrong. You can just let me know in the comments what I am doing wrong, so I can understand and learn about it. Yeah, add the document. From here I can add the document, sorry. Okay, so this is my document. By default you need to add it or ask it for the comment. Okay, I have added the freebie, done, and I will simply give it here. And now you can see free access below I have given, and simply post. Now this thing is post, and you can see literally how this works out. So if you want part 2 from me, what are the results I am getting after the Feedboss, just let me know in the comments, and after a few weeks I will show you my results, how much the attention and the engagement I am getting using this AI in my profile. Okay, so this is how you are going to get the post ideas and the carousels. Now under the content tools we have the much more things like image studio. With the help of you can generate the images. So I have generated one image, I can regenerate. You have to just simply give it the infographic idea or the post, it can generate the image. From here you can select this style and the layout. There are also the templates available that you can use as the templates. Okay, then this is the slide deck, and with the help of you can just create the carousel. So right now you can see, even if you don't know idea what kind of the prompt or the steps you can give its AI to generate the carousel, simply hit the tab here, and now you can see it will instantly give you this prompt or the idea that is highly personalized for your LinkedIn profile. Just enter one prompt. Let me show you again. Just hit the tab, and here you will get the idea. Now it will ask you whether you want to enable the brand kit, knowledge base, the layout. I will select the vertical, and here you can add the sources if you have, but I don't want to add the sources, so I will click here on the generate. And now within the, I think, few minutes, 2 or around the 3 minutes, my carousel will be ready here. So if you want to see how this looks like, simply go to my post and scroll down, and okay, you have to go to the slides deck, and then you have to scroll down till the end, and here you will find out your slides or the carousels you have created. Let me open any of one, and you can see this is the vertical format. This looks really good here, and I think it will be engaging. So right now I can regenerate this one if I didn't like it. No worries, let me open up this second one. This is the second one, and this is the just we have created right now. If you don't remember, this is the right now I have created, and look at how this looks like. Engaging, isn't it? Okay, so you can add to post and instantly export as well. Now the next one we have the lead magnets, and I already talked about how this works out. So this is all the features you will see in the Feedboss. And even if you want to see the engagement, how much the results or people are liking or not, you can just go to the engagement. It will show you how much the results you are getting here. Okay, then my favorite one is this one, that is the analytics. I now don't need to go on the LinkedIn, go on the that confusing thing of the engagement and checking out how many the post, how every post getting the attention or the engagement or not. So basically under the one hood, now I can see every major thing, like which day I get the most of the engagements, how the carousels are working. So you can see most of my posts are the carousels, videos, text, images as well. So this is getting you everything under the one hood in the analytics section. So this is how you can add or implant the AI using the Feedboss in your LinkedIn profile, and this is literally like the one-on-one LinkedIn growth expert for you. So in this video I have given you everything about this AI. So if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. And if you have any queries, want to give me the results in the few weeks what I am getting after using the Feedboss, just let me know in the comments. I will do the next video. Bye bye, take care, I will see you in the next one.